We install the Tripy GPS on the co-driver's side, avoiding the too rounded area of certain windscreens. The windscreen needs to be cleaned using alcohol cleaner so as to degrease the surface. We then stick down the special automobile Velcro using the Tripy fitting guide. By pushing firmly down on each side of the guide and then on the Velcro itself. We link the flat spade connector fitted by the competitor. This power feed is permanent, never after the ignition switch or circuit breaker. We then connect the GPS's power jack, which turns on as soon as it receives current. The screen shows the battery level, power, GSM and GPS networks, as well as the driver's number. Make a loop with the cable to make sure the jack isn't accidentally unplugged. The back side of the GPS is orientated towards the sky. Attention, certain types of magnetic interference stops good GPS signal reception. For example, USB multi-plugs that should be removed. Equipment must be returned at the end of the rally.